You won't believe the shocking health benefits of this exotic fruit. The secret to eternal youth? This one fruit can reverse aging. Scientists discover the fountain of youth fruit, and it's been hiding in plain sight. The ultimate superfruit, how lychees can change your life forever. The one fruit for a flat belly, glowing skin, and a healthy heart. You won't guess what it is. Here are the benefits of lychees. 1. Boosts immune system. Lychees are rich in vitamin C, which helps to stimulate the immune system and protect against infections. 2. Antioxidant properties. Lychees contain flavonoids and polyphenol, which have antioxidant properties that help to protect the body against free radicals and oxidative stress. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Lychees have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation and improve overall health. 4. Supports digestive health. Lychees are a good source of dietary fiber, which can help to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. 5. May help lower blood pressure. The potassium content in lychees can help to lower blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium and promoting healthy blood vessel function. 6. Supports healthy skin. Lychees are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help to protect the skin against damage and promote healthy skin aging. 7. May help manage blood sugar. Lychees have been shown to have a positive effect on blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. 8. Supports healthy hair and nails. The vitamin C and copper content in lychees can help to promote healthy hair and nail growth. 9. May help reduce cancer risk. The antioxidants and flavonoids in lychees have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, which can help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. 10. Supports healthy bones. Lychees are a good source of copper, which is important for maintaining healthy bones and preventing osteoporosis. Remember to always consume lychees in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Enjoy! In this video, we explored the numerous health benefits of lychees, from boosting the immune system to supporting healthy skin, hair, and nails. We also discussed how lychees can help manage blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of certain cancers, and promote healthy bones. Proven health benefits of lychee. Uncover the shocking truth about lychees, and why incorporating them into your diet is crucial. This video delves into the proven health benefits of lychees, highlighting why you need to start including this delicious fruit in your daily routine. From boosting immunity to promoting healthy skin, lychees are a powerhouse of nutrients that can positively impact your overall well-being. Watch now to discover the incredible advantages of adding lychees to your diet. Lychees are a nutrient-dense fruit that offers a range of health benefits, making them a great addition to a balanced diet. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, or in juice form, lychees are a delicious and healthy choice. So go ahead, indulge in this tropical fruit and reap the rewards of a healthier you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Join us next time for another informative video.